Welcome back to another great video of the Ultimate Pronunciation course. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, we're going to learn the next two consonant sounds, l and r, as in light and right. Here they are in the IPA chart. You already learned about the l sound in the core sound section and know how to pronounce it. But in this lesson, we're going to compare it with the sound, so you know the differences and know how to pronounce these sounds correctly and naturally. First, let me demonstrate what the two consonants sound like so you can hear and feel the differences between them. And then we can easily pick it up from there. L, L, Let's start with a recap of the l sound. To produce the l sound, first open your mouth slightly and raise the tip of your tongue to touch the back of your top teeth, right where they meet the alveolar ridge, like this. The back of your tongue should be very low. Look at the diagram here. If you do it correctly, you should be able to hold the sound for a very long time, like this. You should notice a slight vibration of your vocal cords because l is a voiced sound. Please try the sound yourself. Amazing job! Now we'll move on to the other sound of the pair, To produce this sound, open your mouth a little and flare your lips. Then curve the tip of your tongue toward the roof of your mouth, but don't touch it. Look at the diagram for illustration. If you do it correctly, you should be able to hold the sound for a very long time, like this. Is a voiced sound too, so you should feel vibrations in your throat. It's your turn to say it. Well done! Please note that the pronunciation of changes according to its position in words. When is at the beginning of a word, your lips are in a tight circle. For example, room. When is in a beginning consonant cluster, the lips may not be as tight as in the beginning Listen. Bring. When is at the end of the syllable, your lips are more relaxed, but they still flare. Take a look. Paper. Please listen and repeat after me. Room. Bring. Paper. One common feature the two sounds share is that both of them are voiced consonant sounds. However, they are different in some ways. To produce the l sound, your tongue is rather straight and the tip of your tongue touches the alveolar ridge right where it meets your top teeth. For the tip of your tongue curls back toward the roof of your mouth without touching it. Let's make the sounds so you can feel and hear the difference for yourself. Let's try making both sounds again using our three-stage technique. Here we go. One last time. Why don't you give it a try? Try to make these two sounds without stopping. Listen carefully. L, er, l, er, l, er. Now you give it a try. Pause this video if you need more time to practice. To get really comfortable with the sounds, we need to use them in words. Here we go. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. L, lead. R, red. L, deal. R, deer. Let's say them back to back. Lead, red. Deal, deer. Now let's say the words again and try doing it with rising and falling intonations. Please listen closely and repeat after me. Lead, lead. Red, red. Deal, deal. Deer, deer. Good job. L is often spelled as L, as in life and calendar. It can also be presented as LL, as in cell and million. Finally, it can be followed by a silent E. For example, LE, as in style and people. We often find as R, as in ring and never. It can be RR, as in carry and mirror. Also, it can be spelled with a silent W. For example, WR, as in right and wrong. Please note that these are only some of the common spellings. You might find some other spellings as well. In those cases, a dictionary using IPA notation can be your best friend. Well, that's all for this video. You did a great job. Are you ready to move on to video number 2 for more practice? Bye-bye.